Hi, Page of Reach Literacy. We're going to talk about this book, The Selfish Gene by Richard Dawkins. We got this in. It's an interesting book. I'd heard it before, but I had never seen the book. Richard Dawkins is an evolutionary biologist who is from England, and he built this theory of the selfish gene based off of George Williams' adaptation and selection. And the idea behind the selfish gene is that genes are expressed as a phenotypic expression, meaning the genes express what's going to happen. His idea for the selfish gene is that genes function to survive, and their whole goal is that they're going to do something that's selfish for them, meaning if what I do helps me survive, that's what I'm going to continue to do. It isn't about the person surviving, it's about the group and about the animal, vegetable, whatever it is, continuing to live on. And that was the concept for the selfish gene. He called it inclusive fitness, and it's really a way to have a much more evolutionary stable strategy. He also did not believe necessarily in survival of the fittest in the way that you think. He believed in survival of the fittest, but the idea was that surviving wasn't about one thing, like one animal being surviving, but it was that the genes that are being replicated in the expression were that people, animals, plants, whatever, were going to survive, and that fittest phenotypic expression, or whatever is going to happen with the selfish gene, that's what was going to make survival of the fittest. The book also introduces a term meme, and not the way that you think and that we see now with the internet and memes, but it was really about a unit of human cultural evolution. There's quite a bit of study in the of human memetics. I am not an expert in that, so I'm not going to get into that at this time. In 2017, the Royal Society said that The Selfish Gene was one of the most influential science books of its time. Additionally, books that he produced later on talk about the extended phenotype, meaning that evolutionary biology, and that they aren't just limited to an organism's body, but they can stretch far into the environment. And you're seeing now that, decades back, generations back, that the trauma and things that happen to people become expressed farther on in their genetic makeup that we see today. Dawkins wrote a book called The God Delusion, and he contends that there is no such thing as a supernatural creator, and that religious faith is a delusion. Have a great day.